Hello. Hi, I wanted to shoot a quick video of me unboxing this absolutely wonderful gift. I never expected to ever see this in person ever again. And I'm really excited about it. The container alone is very impressive. And I was so happy to have these conversations with all of you to help figure out some of the minor detail, but you guys did all the hard work and I can't wait to see it. First of all, we've got, ooh, these even keys. Some amazing figures. There's Warmonger, and there's a creature. Oh wow, a couple of creatures. Well, I'll open this in a moment. And look at that, clear heroes. Not sure. I did the sculpt for Norman. I was just thinking about how much fun that was to do. But here, this box art is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, there's tape. I want to make sure I don't rip this box. I'm in my my studio, so I'm working on some clay figures and sculptures. So this is just a clay covered knife I just used. Oh wow. This brings back quite a flashback from when we got the first Mighty Max toys, and seeing it in the box and being able to take it out was very exciting because of all the work we did. But all the art is beautiful. The box is super impressive. You did such a wonderful job. Okay. Okay. I'm really excited about this. The last time I saw this was at Toy Fair way back when, and we didn't find out that it wasn't going forward until much later, so I was really surprised when you contacted me. But this is just beautiful. The wash is really nice. The finish is beautiful. You even separated one of the iguanas. George sculpted all the iguanas. He had pet iguanas at the time, and they were everywhere. And the spiders and the skulls. This is amazing. This is better than the original, I'll have to tell you. It really is. Let's take a look at these figures. Wow, the Warmonger is beautiful. Look at the shine on the paint for his pauldron and for this part here. And just look at the gleam of that paint. It's really nice. And this extra character, what a nice surprise. I saw that in the review that I read. I did that sculpture many years ago, and this looks really crisp. Ah, does that come out? It must come out. Okay. Now I'll be embarrassed because I won't know how to open this. But, oh wow, the hinges are beautiful. Wow. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all of this. Oh, that's so nice. This mechanism, what a great job. And I did the sculpture for this wall right here, and you called out every little piece of detail that I didn't think was going to make it in there. And it really looks beautiful. Wow, this is really, really incredible. I'm so impressed. You all did such an absolutely terrific job. And this. Oh, really nice. You were able to put a spring in there. We weren't allowed to put springs in that. Oh, and the axe too. This axe is nice. And look at the copper. This is really, really impressive. I have 2 other team members from the original Mighty Max crew that I'm working with right now, and just on a mini project. And I've told them about this. I showed it to them. They're going to come here to for a meeting probably in a week or so, and they're looking really forward to seeing this because they too are just amazed by it. And it's really, really nice. I'm going to treasure this thing, and it's going to go with the rest of my collection. Ooh, and Warmonger's blade as well. I want to thank you for involving me in such a minor way, and thank you for this wonderful, wonderful gift. I have some really, really fond memories of all my time working on Mighty Max, and my friend Hiram and I were just talking about finishing up Magus, and that it was in the summertime and we had a deadline to make, and we were the last 2. Everybody else had gone on vacation, and we finished up in the afternoon, wrapped it all up and shipped it off to England, and then spent the rest of the day in the nice weather because everybody else was gone. So the bosses were panicking that it wasn't going to get done. But once again, this is absolutely wonderful, and thank you so much, and good luck with anything else you do in the future. Some of the other things I've seen you do with Godzilla, just mind-blowing. You are truly dedicated toy makers, and you did a great job. Thank you so much.